Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, new video, new month, everything, new parcel. This month's only going to be a bit of a, I think it's just going to be one video this month. But parcel is smaller. We've got one set in this, which obviously I know of. So as usual, this comes from Loy. So without further ado, let's actually get in and actually see what we've got in here, so I can show you. This one I ordered, I think, beginning of this year. If not, I can't remember now. Last month, something like that. But this one, we've got bubble wrap as well. So let's get all the parts and pieces out. There we go. Oh, still more parts falling out. Actually get. And as always with Loy as well, we get another video charm thing as well, as a friendship charm. I've also got some more battery packs and lights. These, obviously, if you've seen the update video that I've done for the city as well, these are for lights for the other parts of the buildings that I need, so it shouldn't be too long before I obviously build them up, and they'll probably be in the next update video. But this is set 60017, and this is the Razor Crest from the Mandalorian. So I've always, since watching the series, or the Mandalorian series, I've always wanted to get something like this. I have also seen a mock build of this set as well, which is bigger. It's about 4,000 to 5,000 pieces. It's probably something that I'm going to be looking into, but it's obviously the price range is a bit high. But anyways, going back onto this, these bags are all numbered as well, so obviously makes it easier to know where it is. I think it ranges up to about 6 or 7 bags per stage as well. So yeah, there's 6 stages in this. Put these down back in here in the box. Move these out of the way. Right, so move that on the side there. But with this, we also get some stickers as well. So they were pretty cool. And then obviously with the normal instructions, colour coordinated, tells you what just normal Lego bits that you can do. But also, if you saw my last video to do with the lights for the X-Wing, I also have another light set from Gamer Bricks, and this is obviously for the Razor Crest. So just going to show you with what we've got anyways. But we've got the battery pack, we've got some red 1x1 studs and an expansion board with some cables in that one. We have the remote board as well, and then the rest of these are numbered from 1s to 6, from number 1 to 6 I think it is, and then obviously you get your user manual as well. So yeah, this is going to be very fun. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the video here for now, and then I'm going to come back to you once I've built the actual set and put the whole lot of the lights inside. So yeah, up until then, I shall catch you in a little bit. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, welcome back. Now as you can see, we've come back and actually built this. Now this is a really, really awesome set. You know, there's a few complications, a few problems I had with this as well. Obviously, as you know, at the beginning of the video I said that I was going to put the light set in with this as well. So obviously this is a mixture of two sets. Obviously the Razor Crest is one set, and then I've got the lights that is another set from Game of Bricks. Now this is a really enjoyable build for any sort of Mandalorian, Star Wars fan, whatever you want to call yourself, basically. I've seen both seasons of Mandalorian. I had to get the Razor Crest. Now, this is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. It does come with everything that you think it could come with. The figures I haven't got out at the moment. They are pretty much in the city. You know, my little one wanted to put Mandalorian and obviously Baby Yoda into city. So obviously we've got a little bit of a joke going on in there. And then we've got some other characters that were in there as well. But for some reason she's put the head for IG-11 on top of here. I don't know why she's done that for, but yeah. Anyways, this is something that she wants to do. But now, like I said, really enjoyable builds. This all does come apart. Well, I say come apart, but it all folds out, so you can actually see on the inside. So if I show the inside, there is the carbonate freezing chambers as well. So if I take one out, there is another one, but I think she's put that in the city as well somewhere. But yeah, we've got these aren't printed, but these are stickers on top of a 1x2x6, I think they are 1x2x6 or 1x25. So yeah, these are pretty cool. The inside, oh, there's a stud come out. I'll put that back quickly. The inside is not bad detailing. I mean, it could be done a little bit better comparing it to what I've seen with other builds as well. If I move these down as well. So at the side there you have like a torpedo. Now these are for these up here. Now these are spring-loaded. I don't know what the specific name are, but someone will probably say it in the comments or something like that. But they're spring-loaded pieces, and there's these great pieces here that you push down once the torpedo is inside, and then obviously you push it down and it flings it back or fires it out. So if we spin this round, that's all you've got on that one. It comes with 3 torpedoes, and then as you can see, it all folds out just like that. It's all on hinges, and then on the inside there you got some sort of, I don't know what you would call it, but it's definitely not the armory bit that he has inside. So yeah, that is pretty cool. So fold this back up for the moment. Oh, and then we've got the bit for them to come out of the cargo bay. The interior is pretty good. Now the cockpit itself, or the cockpit canopy, I had to get from Lego because the way the light was, it wasn't really good. So yeah, it's in 2 halves, and obviously there's one light in here, which, you know, we'll get into it now. We'll just get into this now. So get this done. This is the radio control version that I've got. So as you can see, it's all lit up. So we've got the lights at the front, but as you can see, the reason why we've had to replace the canopy itself from Lego is because I think this was a King set. it doesn't come with a full canopy. It comes as the two halves. So the light in the middle causes problems with the two canopy pieces to then obviously keep pushing off. So yeah, that's not really a good idea really. But it has different modes. I don't know what happened, but I think I've probably done this wrong. I'm not sure. So we've got these two counteracting. I don't know what I've done. I will have to go back through and obviously double check what I've got done. But then obviously if I go to number 3, it then resolves it back. Now with the interior, there's only there is the lights that are underneath. So you've got the lights underneath on the wings. There was one on the inside as well, and then you've got some. Oh yeah, you've got some lights. Oh, see, this is the other thing that I've been saying in the past as well. That the lights can be causing problems with some of the pieces to fall off, which is a big problem. But at the end of it, you get a good feel to it, anyways. But then there's another light in the inside there. So yeah, I mean, all in all, this one's really good. I mean, it's got like a little chip at the back here as well. If I show you, yeah, there it is. You can see the chip, which is like a Bluetooth thing. So obviously you can see the flashing light. It connects to the controller itself. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole set. Really enjoyable build. The whole set itself, without the lights, probably took me about an hour to 2 hours to build. Then adding the lights in after that, I would probably say another hour to an hour and a half on top of that, just to obviously make sure you got all the lights in correct, get the cables connected properly and everything like that. So all in all, you're probably looking at about 3 to 4 hour build with this. So yeah, this is, if you're a fan of Mandalorian, I advise buying this. So yeah, but this is pretty much where I'm going to leave it now. If you like this video, then leave a like rating. Always, if you want, leave a comment. Let us know what you want me to do next in the next videos. If you have any ideas, then give us some ideas. If you're not subscribed, then click the subscribe button down below. Click the little bell at the side of it as well. You'll always be notified. And also, if you want to support me and this channel, I also have a Patreon page where people can obviously help fund the channel. All the money that is made through this will go directly to Lego sets and other things that I'm doing for the channel. So yeah, I'll leave that in the description as well. I'll leave a link in the description down below for this, so you can go out and buy this yourself. And yeah, this is pretty much it really. Until the next video, with what's going on at the moment, I have no idea when it's going to be turning up at all. I'm waiting for a couple of parcels, so fingers crossed they do turn up fairly soon, and then obviously you'll be notified when the next video is. So yeah, okay, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.